In this video, you're going to learn a simple trick to grow your Twitter page. I've got an example of it here on my account, and I'm also going to show you an example from 2 other accounts as well. So this is a strategy you can definitely repeat over and over again. And the strategy is to pin a tweet to the top of the page, but not any tweet, a tweet that is really going to get retweeted by your audience. So you can see that this tweet has been retweeted 36 times, meaning that someone who's come to my page has retweeted this quote to share it with their audience. And the advantage for me is that that puts me in front of their audience, which helps expose me to their audience. In turn, that helps grow my channel. They may follow me, they may see this message, like it as well, and it just continues to grow. So the key strategy here is that not only do you pin a tweet, which you can do with any tweet on Twitter, just click on the little down arrow here and click pin to profile, but you want to leave a tweet there indefinitely. And the reason you do that is because anytime anybody comes to your page, if they agree with the message that you're saying here, it could be a quote, a belief, something like that, well then they're going to want to retweet it, and that just helps give you constant exposure every time it comes to your page. You can see I tweeted this in over a year ago now, and it's still there at the top because people still retweet it. Got 61 likes and 9 comments. Let's have a look at another example of this. This guy's audience is a lot bigger, so you can see he's got 4,000 retweets, 6,000 likes, 234 comments. And again, he's done the same strategy. Best way to sell something, don't sell anything. Earn the awareness, respect, and trust of those who might buy. So that is a belief that he has, and if his audience or anybody who sees that believes the same thing, then they can retweet that. And once again, the advantage for this guy is that it exposes him to those other people's audience. That's the beauty of the retweet and the real power of it, and why you want to set something up like this so you have an automated way to get retweets on your account. Let's have a look at another example of this strategy, this time slightly different, but again, it's something that is timeless. Your regular investing reminder. Keep calm and stay the course. So 172 retweets, 317 likes, 51 comments. So that is something that they could just leave there indefinitely, your regular investing reminder. It's not something that goes out of fashion, and it's kind of funny. And if you were following their profile, well, you might retweet that and expose them to your audience, which again helps them grow. So this is something you could definitely do for yourself. Find a quote from somebody else or from yourself that you believe in, or even make an image like this that you can just put up that's easy for them to reshare to their audience. And that is a very simple way that you can grow your Twitter audience quickly by getting other people to retweet this and getting yourself in front of their audience. So try it out for yourself or put it in your back pocket for later.